Hello and welcome to our video on tips for cleaning tools maintenance and upkeep. In this video, we'll be sharing some simple tips to help keep your tools in top shape so they can last for years to come. The first and most important step in maintaining your tools is to keep them clean. After each use, wipe down all surfaces with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. For tougher stains, use a mild detergent and warm water to gently clean the surface before rinsing and drying thoroughly. Maintaining a properly sharpened edge is essential for tools like knives, saws, and chisels. Use a sharpening stone or file to carefully remove any nicks or imperfections in the blade and to restore a sharp cutting edge. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for sharpening and honing your particular tools. Applying a lubricant can help prevent rust, reduce friction between moving parts, and protect surfaces from wear and tear. Use a light oil or silicone spray to lubricate hinges, locks, and other hardware. For power tools, apply a small amount of oil to the moving parts after each use. Proper storage is crucial to keeping your tools in good condition. Store them in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Consider using a toolbox or storage cabinet to protect them from dust, dirt, and other debris. That concludes our video on tips for cleaning tool maintenance and upkeep. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your tools remain in top condition and are always ready for use when you need them.